Hello again from Ogs Mechanics workshop, where today we have a Nissan Qashqai. We want to present a situation and something that can help you save money on repairs. This car came in for a service, and while we performed the service on the car, we have picked up a noise, and this noise was coming from the timing chain. Now, timing chain nowadays is an item that it does require replacing every so often. There's not a set interval for replacements as it is for timing belts, but it's rather linked with the servicing of the car and type of use. On this instance, what we have noticed that while the car was running on idle speed, we could hear a rattling noise coming from the front of the engine. This is where the timing is located. So it pays a lot for the drivers to have a look if they hear any unusual noises, to have them addressed before they can go to expensive repairs. Now, this is the timing chain, and what we want to show you is the wear on the guides. And look, the tensioner was literally split. So this timing chain was not far from completely failing, and then a failure on the timing chain, it could result in a very expensive repair, because all the cylinder head has to be removed. It could have damaged the valves, camshaft, very, very expensive repair. So in this situation, the customer was saved by us that the fault has been picked up on a service. But if the service wasn't due now and customer would have continuous driving, it was very close to have a timing chain failure, and then a very costly repair was following to that. So pay attention to every noise coming from the engine or even suspension or brakes. Have it addressed before it comes to a more expensive repair or even a breakdown situation. So a glimpse again in our activity here, where we perform tasks like general servicing, but also comprehensive repairs, timing chain replacement, diagnostic coding programming at dealer level. So this job today, Nissan Qashqai timing chain replacement, all genuine parts, performed by Ogs Mechanics. Ogs Mechanics for all general repairs and advanced vehicle diagnostic, coding and programming. Thanks for watching.